Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by measuring ingredients and prepping vegetables. Use 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water, and a pinch of salt for a fluffy base. Rinse quinoa in a fine mesh sieve until water runs clear to remove bitterness. While quinoa drains, chop 1 cucumber, 1 red pepper, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, and 1/2 cup fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. Toast 1/4 cup chopped nuts or seeds in a dry pan for 2 to 3 minutes for extra crunch. Set all prepared ingredients near the stove before cooking. Transfer drained quinoa to a small saucepan and add 2 cups water and a pinch of salt. Bring quinoa and water to a boil, then reduce to low and simmer covered for 15 minutes without stirring. Turn off heat and let quinoa rest covered for 5 minutes to finish steaming. Uncover and fluff with a fork to separate grains and cool slightly for the salad. Taste a grain. It should be tender with a slight bite and a visible germ ring, indicating properly cooked quinoa. Make a bright dressing by whisking 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 minced garlic clove, salt, and pepper to taste. Combine cooled quinoa, chopped vegetables, 1/2 cup herbs, and 1/4 cup toasted nuts or seeds in a large bowl. Pour dressing over salad and toss gently to coat evenly, adjusting seasoning with salt or 1 tablespoon honey if desired. Serve immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.